Hello world! Right now, somewhere in this world, something is happening for you. A decision, a conversation, a chance encounter, people and experiences and opportunities all converging leading straight to you. Every day, there are things happening in the background that you can't quite see. Pieces of the puzzle connecting into places, creating a bigger picture that your short-range vision can't yet perceive. And it's going to come. The person, the thing, the opportunity, the experience that is so beyond anything you are currently imagining. And when it comes, I promise it will be real and it will be right, and your thinking mind may question it, but your heartbeat will know that this is for you. And right here in this moment, something beautiful is unfolding and you are worthy of it. You are worthy of the good things, the loving things, the unimaginably beautiful things. You are worthy of the perfect alignment. Keep your heart open. Trust in what's coming. Make space for that one thing that's going to change everything. Something is happening, something out there, something within, something is changing, something is transforming, something is unrevealing, something is emerging, something is coming, something is here, the right opportunities are aligning, the right paths are converging, everything you are released has made space for something more. Something is blooming, something is growing, something is falling into places at the exact right time. There's something happening in this world that you can't see. Something that was always meant for you, it was never going to miss. All along you have been right where you needed to be. By Sana Kate Lee. On this post of Anna it captioned with, I used to think that it was worth adapting to other people their views, opinions, sense of humor, interests, until I realized that I would no longer waste my time, potential, uniqueness, personal sense of humor, thoughts, energy, visions. My unique eye to be like anyone else. Ama is one of a kind. Everything I have in me makes me today. I choose what or who is around me. Never giving up on myself, always full of openness and respect for other people. And I am maximum proud of myself. It is amazing that we can be different and so beautiful in this. Every day with my own eyes, I paint new picture of reality, opening myself up in mindfulness to other colors. And you? P.S. I love you. She also tells us that someone tells me that the food is not the greatest pleasure in life. Some of you are knocking yourself on your head right now because you think it's romantic intimacy. Others think that it's kissing, reading books, going to the cinema, watching series, looking, swimming, sightseeing, traveling, flying, and you know what? Oh, vibrant, for maybe it's time to make the morning with Amadal. Oh, you have a point in it, as you said, Anna, that I don't think so. I'm ready for imagination of AI, but Malutka and Leo rock it, right? Uh-huh. What is this something magical that is happening? Let's wait and see for it. Anna really be a pet lover as she is fond of dog, not only cat that she taking care of, as it proved in here when she was at the set. Nice to hear it, Anna, as you have said that we did it. We finished recording. I want to cry and scream at the same time cause of emotions, joy, excitement, and proud of the wonderful crew and also of me. It's just a little moment and you will also find out what we have creating for those weeks. Invitation to all, we invite you all on April 24 to the first episode of Persamilok with the participation of Ana Maria Secluca. Are you curious about a new heroine? On the interview of Ana with Damian, it talked about what self-love is about, and Ana emphasized on it by saying gaslighting is a violence. I think I lost it the times I feel it. Yes, especially as a public person, people were thinking something about me. I think that they could tell me what to do and how they wanna build me. And sometimes, of course, I believe them. Every time I put it myself down because I completely didn't know what is self-love. What is my value? And today the situation is completely different. If you don't know who you really are, people can put you like this. Make you feel down, make you feel like nothing, like you don't deserve what you want. We need to remember that what's happening in our lives is because we allow for it. When you feel bad in their conversation or something, you allow that person to break the boundaries. It should be a red flag for us. It's about a gut feeling. I think you might have it. If someone gonna take it, everything is okay. You should feel it. Okay, Simone. What music do you want me to play, Simone? As you're not gonna be bored on your travel time. You take another body paint art on you. Wow, what is going on that you feel tattoos this time? Hope it has a beautiful significance in your life. Nuncio, I will not gonna miss you. I will really watch this. Oh, yeah. Wow. It's a fantastic looks of you, Simone, that you rock my world. On this interview of yours, it really make you stand out on how fashionable you are, the tiger look, or the first look. It emphasized how powerful your aura was. It's really your eyes that speak, not your voice or your lips that can be heard. You given here your Italian feature. Let's all guess then, if Michele opened this book, what will we gonna see? Here's it! Surprise!
Till I ever feel like last time we spoke.
Today, Michele do some abstract artwork as to add on his collection of art. But how about this one? Can you all think and visualize what is this masterpiece of art of Michele? As what I can conclude, Michele really love, like, and this is his passion of work of art, cause he like to do some kind of this. But who are his model on the canvas? Did he paint with a model, or he paint based on his imagination, or the way he watch it, or it's the way he do it? I can say on my opinion that not only on the canvas he do it. It's a big clap for you, Michele, that you have a big part on this movie of yours, Home Sweet Home Rebirth. Not just as an actor, but also given a chance to sing the soundtrack of the movie.
Hello. Unobtainable, my new single. The song that I wrote for my new film, Home Sweet Home Rebirth, it's finally out. And I would love for you guys to listen to it because it belongs to a really important film that I've done. And you can find it everywhere. You can find it on Spotify. You can find it on Apple Music and YouTube, everywhere. So I'm gonna put here I want to put here the link so you can, download the song and all of that. And I hope that you're gonna like it. And I love you. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.
Happiest birthday, Mama Ruba, as to the greetings of your beloved friendly sisters who misses you, but no distance hindered them to show how they love you. Being a mother, Ruba is selfless when loving her family, especially her kids. It's her special day, but the one who is enjoying most is her kids. Isn't it easy or hard to walk on this wheel at the water? It shows how brave you are that you conquer every rides. How was it, Brando? Did you knock out the machine? Look closely on how Brando demonstrates on how to eat a cotton candy. I know it, that not only kids love to eat cotton candy, but it's for all ages as long as we crave for it. Let's do some throwback now, as many asking, based on my last video about who is the girl, who is the special someone with Michele. As to my opinion, and some fan page opinion, it's Ruba. As to his mother, Angela was also there. And as to you guys, do we have the same opinion? Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 108 of the 365 days of 2025. Message to all. I think the next plot twist is that things are about to get really good. I think this world is going to open up for you in unimaginable ways. I think you are walking into your best chapter yet. And finally, you are going to see where all this has been leading. Your hard work hasn't been for nothing. How you keep showing up, how you keep picking yourself back up, how you never give up on yourself. All along, it was paying off in ways you couldn't see. And even when you couldn't find proof in the outside world that anything was working out, you listened to your heart wisdom and continually leaned into faith and trust. How you never give up on this dream, the vision, this feeling deep within that says this is for you. Now you are going to see it, the proof, the illumination of something more beautiful than you can even imagine. You are going to see where the universe has been guiding you, and it's going to be better than you can possibly know. Actually, you can. You can follow your heart. You can alter your path. You can break the mold. You can take the leap. You can free yourself from your fears. You can refuse to settle for less than you deserve. You can live a life aligned with your purpose and passion. You can create your future. You can have exactly what you have been dreaming about. You are strong enough. You are brave enough. You are what it takes. By Sana Kate Lee.